Okay, first hook up the battery on the PC board, and you don't have to be on the tug. Then turn on the transmitter, and then make sure your receiver is off, which is the switch on the tug, and then take any small Allen wrench, and here's a small hole. They said F/S, and they have a micro switch inside. Push the micro switch. At the same time, while you're pushing the micro switch, turn on the receiver, and then come back on the transmitter. Of course, the cover you have to take off to see this. There's a small hole here, and I push about 1 second to 2 seconds, and then you will see the red light is blinking on the receiver. So already binding. The next thing you have to do is shut off both the receiver and the transmitter, and then come back to turn on the receiver and turn on the transmitter. Then you should see the light on the receiver become green. Now it's binding.